that little red light on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ass shot, you pervert.
You're so stupid. You too can sponsor. Actually, you know what? 10 cents for Kevin because he already looks well fed.
20 cents for
Sheesh. It's my camera. Now I get to delete all those stupid ass pictures you took. Yeah, those ain't bad. I'll keep them. That one could get deleted. That's trash. Those ain't bad. I'll keep them. There's love in here. Oh, let's lay down a little bit. Done with Lester. Lester needs to go get gas.
Lester, go get some gas.
Huh?
Yes,
Shell's down the street. Red light on? Huh? Red light on? The best AC, top AC of the world. That sunset's awesome. It would have actually been pretty cool at the beach, but I'll take what I can get. Do you want a picture of your truck or you're good? Okay, you don't care? I don't like your attitude.
Do you want a picture of my truck?
I might.
If you want, I'll put it over there.
Not if you're gonna have that attitude.
You on the rubber? Huh? You on the rubber?
I'll let you. You're gonna be like.
Alright, bro.
Yep.
You're good. Straight.
Yo, you gotta get some speakers in that bitch.
Wow.
Vagina pad?
Vag, yeah, no, when I hear vag spray, that's what I think about.
There, man. Bondo, man.
Bondo. Fuck! You're a tuner here.
Whoa, he's a tuner now?
I'm a tuner now. I'm a tuner, I'm a tuner.
Are you done?
I was doing my job.
You're in my shot.